We will now see how to implement this function f equal to b bar into a plus c, which we recognize this as a POS function, implement with the universal gates NOR, NOR. Since this is a product of sum, this is one sum term, this is another sum term. So there are two sum terms, one gate for maybe each. So a plus b, this is first NOR gate, having the inputs a and c. Here you will get as a plus c complement. And the second term is b. Remember, this is the complement of this term. So instead of b bar, we need the term b. We don't have to invert it. So this followed by another NOR gate. This will give us the answer. Let us see the proof of this. This is a NOR and this is also a NOR. So this is a NOR implementation. This has a plus c the whole bar. This is b. Coming over here b. Now this is a plus gate, NOR gate. What it will do is this plus this the whole bar. So you get a plus c bar, this one, plus this b and whole bar. If you solve this by De Morgan's theorem, this solves to a plus c double bar dot b bar. That will solve to a plus c into b bar, which is your required function. So this is the NOR implementation of this function. To complete this topic, at times you may be asked to implement, if you are asked to implement the same function, f is equal to a plus c into b bar, which is a POS function, implement with any logic gates. Not just NAND or NOR, but any of the logic gates. So we see in that case, you can use AND, OR, NOT, XOR, XNOR, or whichever gate. So let us try to see the same implementation. A plus c is a plus function generated from an OR gate. A, C, this will give you A plus C, and this is obtained from an OR gate, plus gate. The next term is B bar. For B bar, if this is B, it will be obtained from a NOT gate. So this will give you B bar. This is a NOT gate. And both these terms are B bar dot A plus C. So the dot gate is the AND gate. So this is the AND gate, and here you will get, this is B bar, this is A plus C. So here you will get B bar in dot A plus C. So please carefully see that these are two implementations of the same function, B bar into A plus C. This is the NOR implementation, and this is with the help of any logic gates. So this is the example of POS function implementation with NOR or with any basic logic gates. So the gates used were OR, NOT, AND. OR for the plus function, AND for the dot function, NOT for the bar function. Thank you.